Welcome to the Montgomery Ward Penthouse in Chicago, a remarkable blend of historical significance and modern luxury. Located in what was once the tallest building in the city, this penthouse offers over 6,400 square feet of living space, 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, and 5 terraces with breathtaking views of Lake Michigan and downtown Chicago. Inside, the penthouse blends historic charm with modern updates. The great room features 25-foot-high ceilings, limestone walls, and detailed designs inspired by the City Beautiful movement. Once an open-air terrace, this room is now the heart of the home, combining classic elegance with contemporary comfort. The modernized interiors include a sleek kitchen with stainless steel appliances, a dining area with French doors, and a steel floating staircase linking the 4 levels. The 4th-floor library has a skylight for natural light, and the 5th-story terrace provides stunning views of the Chicago skyline and Lake Michigan. The penthouse's terraces are perfect for entertaining, featuring outdoor seating, dining areas, and even a built-in kitchen. With its landmarked views protected by Montgomery Ward's advocacy, this property offers a unique glimpse into Chicago's history while providing all the comforts of modern living.